Hey everyone, gonna update you on the Arteza pouring acrylic paints. I already showed these in one video, but I will quickly show them again. They dried just as bright as could be. And this one I used regular Arteza with my floetrol and water for the background. And all of the colors except for one were the pouring acrylics. And I think it turned out really well. And it's going to go in this frame. And if you watch the video, you'll see I went back and reverse dipped. And look how pretty the paper is that I reverse dipped on. I mean, I don't know, but that'll probably go in the trash, but it sure was pretty. Whoa! So I am re-pouring over this circle just because it's an okay design, but I really want to try these paints on around, and I don't have any primed. So we're just going to paint over this one. But we're going to mix it this time with house paint. And this house paint is eggshell. So it will not, most likely will not dry. Actually, I am not entirely sure what this white one is that I just grabbed. It probably has a mix of my Dutch Boy, maybe some Arteza. There we go. So let me get a cup. And I shook these already. So I've got phthalo blue. And lavender. There's some odd colors in this. I wish there were more blues. There's a lot of pinks. A neon purple. I wanted some metallic, so I've got metallic wine red. Alright. Let's add some neon blue too. And I do have paint mixing videos, so you can go back and watch those if you have a lot more questions. Already you can tell not as bright. Whoops. But I need a little bit more. So obviously when they get mixed with the white, they end up not bright, which pretty much makes sense. I don't even think I like how this one's going. I don't. It's going to be straight. going to try a new cup because I want to use different colors. So I got the lavender. I'm going to use this turquoise. It's called forest green, but it doesn't look forest green to me. So the phthalo blue. And a little bit of the neon blue. And that is house paint. I can smell it. It smells a lot different than artist paint. Tilts a lot slower because it's mixed thicker than what I mix my colors. But I like the consistency. It just takes longer to tilt. A lot longer. I'm going to do a hard tilt, try and get the white over the edge over here. Don't want that blue there. You could see all the air bubbles. Can't tell if that's just an air bubble. So there we have it. I'm just touch up some of the edges. Still a bunch of air bubbles over here. And we will see how this dries with a mixture of the house paint and the pouring acrylic. It's pretty bright and vivid right now, but I think it would be regardless if I had just used my regular colors too. So thanks so much for watching, and I will keep you updated on this one. Bye! Hey, wanted to update you on this painting like I said I would. It was the Arteza pouring acrylic colors for the color, and then it was house paint mixed with floetrol and water for the base. I wanted to know how they played together, and it turns out quite well. The base coat, or the white, is a eggshell, so that is flat. But you can see the shine from the acrylic. And I think it turned out pretty well. I keep seeing dragons. Lots of dragons in this one. But so you can mix them, although if you're spending the money on these pouring acrylics, I would say don't mix them, just because you're really then not getting your money's worth. They're not turning out as cool as they are when used by themselves. So just my tip. Either I just wouldn't mix them, I don't think. I've mixed them with Arteza as the base, Arteza titanium white with floetrol and water, and that was better because that dries shiny. So I just wouldn't mix them with the house paint because they're really expensive, and I would hate to see you be disappointed that you weren't getting the results that you think you should be getting, because you will get them if you use them alone. So there's my rambling. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you next time. Bye.